Stop. If you're thinking about buying Cinematic Sites AI, there's something you need to know first. Cinematic Sites AI is world's first AI website agent powered by OpenClaw, a team of specialized AI agents that design, write, animate, optimize and launch a cinematic, revenue-ready website from a single text prompt. No coding, no designers, no monthly fees. You describe your vision, and the AI instantly creates a Hollywood-style animated website, complete with content, graphics, SEO, chatbot, payments and booking. So here's the big question, is Cinematic Sites AI really the future of website building or just another hype launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what Cinematic Sites AI is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab Cinematic Sites AI through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $999 absolutely free. What is Cinematic Sites AI? Cinematic Sites AI is designed to work like an AI website team. Instead of manually choosing templates, writing copy, generating images and connecting different tools, you describe what you want. For example, create a premium restaurant website with online bookings, payments, lead capture and cinematic animations. The platform then aims to turn that instruction into a functional website. You can also edit the result using AI prompts or a visual drag and drop editor. Benefits: why people are interested. Cinematic 3D design. Websites that look like $15,000 agency builds. Payments, booking and lead capture built in. No coding, no design skills required. Commercial license. Build and sell websites for clients. Inside Cinematic Sites AI you're getting Cinematic 3D motion website generator, AI agents for design, writing, copy, graphics, optimization, analytics and sales, built-in chatbot, payments and booking. SEO optimization plus free SSL, premium hosting included for 5 years, drag and drop plus AI prompt editor, download and own your website anytime. Commercial license included and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros. Complete AI website agent, not just a builder, beginner-friendly, no technical skills required, unlimited websites, unlimited niches, commercial license for agencies and freelancers and one-time payment, lifetime access. Cons. No guaranteed income, results depend on your niche and traffic. Results. What to expect. Expect faster launches, premium designs and higher conversions. Agencies. Deliver cinematic websites to clients in minutes. Entrepreneurs. Launch revenue-ready sites without coding. Freelancers. Offer website creation services and keep 100% profit. Cinematic Sites AI turns one simple idea into a studio-quality website that sells for you 24/7. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab, through the link below. Bonus 1 DFY Website Agency Kit. Value $499. Ready-to-use templates, proposals and outreach scripts to start selling websites to clients. Bonus 2 AI Website Profit Blueprint. Value $500. Step-by-step guide to monetize Cinematic Sites AI and build recurring income streams. Total bonus value $999, yours free when you get Cinematic Sites AI through my link today. So, is Cinematic Sites AI worth it? If you want to stop struggling with traditional builders and start creating cinematic, conversion-ready websites in minutes, then yes, Cinematic Sites AI is absolutely worth it. Click the first link in the description to secure Cinematic Sites AI plus my $999 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.